Hello guys, you must be wondering who I am, why am I making this stupid vlog maybe. So basically now that COVID cases are rising a lot, I thought maybe aside from my studies, I think I should have started this YouTube channel to show you guys about the life of a undergraduate engineering student in India. So yeah, that was one of my main motto. As if I wasn't doing something else, I was wasting a lot of time. So yeah, this is my attempt to being productive. So a little bit introduction about myself. My name is Shomik Roy Chaudhary, and I am a electronics and instrumentation engineering student from Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata. And please ignore the quality of the video as सबको पता है engineering students have no money. My interests and hobbies lies in various kinds of music and maybe I love playing the guitar.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And also in various kinds of photography and etc. Side passions every engineers have. We usually follow the side passions more than our own studies because engineering is I'm just in the first year. I'm in the second semester of my engineering study, and I'm feeling what it is. So yeah, a long way to go ahead, and I just want to share this journey with everyone so that any other engineering student and will relate और सबको मज़ा भी आएगा.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So that being said, so one of the main topics which I would like to discuss in today's video is the Stanford Code in Place, the course which I'm currently taking. So Stanford, this course is absolutely free and it is offered by Stanford University, and it's a highly competitive program. You have to apply, then you have to get selected. It is so competitive because first point, it is offered by Stanford University, and also because it's free of cost. So I got accepted for the spring 2021, and this course has started from April 19th and it will go until May 28th. It's a 5-week course on coding with Python. So let me tell you what is Code in Place. So Code in Place was an initiative taken by Stanford University when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, and they thought of giving out coding knowledge to people from all walks of life, as coding is a very important skill in 21st century, as you might say. So Code in Place was actually highly competitive, and for the first round almost 80,000 students applied and like 10% were selected, and this time almost 50 to 60,000 students applied, and more than it almost like 10 to 15% were only accepted for this round. So to get selected, you don't have to provide in mass or marks or certain things to them, because people from different walks of life from around the world apply for this program. They literally give us a form to fill, and the form basically asks about what we are doing, are we a student or working professional, or maybe what is our age, name, which country we belong from, etc. Just the basic stuff, And after that, that's the interesting part. As you may have known that US universities usually ask for an essay when you apply for the programs abroad. So same thing here, Stanford University, apart from asking all the basic stuff, they asked us to write a small essay on ourselves, or what is unique about us, or maybe an interesting snippet that we would like to share from our life, etc. So I wrote that essay, and there was one more question which asked us that what kind of cultural diversity we would bring it in the classroom, because people from all around the world are applying for this program, and it's a really nice initiative taken by Stanford University, as I've already mentioned. So these classes are being held online, and especially in these pandemic times, it is better to hold it online. Now we know what is Stanford Code in Place, and now we will see what knowledge do they give. So Stanford Code in Place is basically the CS106A. There's the computer science course in Python which is taught in Stanford University. It's been taught to people now from all around the world. When you get accepted to this course, you get access to the video lectures and assignments. And by assignments, I don't mean those boring assignments which we get here in India. The assignments are really interactive and it really helps you to understand the basics and everything. So Stanford Code in Place basically teaches you the basics of Python programming, and by basics I don't mean the simple for, if, else, loop and syntax and data types, and not all that basic. For them, basic is like teaching you how these are there.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Control flow, logical operators, everything is there. But except this, they also have the the basics of data science and machine learning, etc., etc. That's really interesting. And it's almost 1 week I've been doing this Stanford Code in Place, and it's really. Actually, I'm pretty honored to be part of the Stanford Code in Place, because everyone is so helpful and so really into programming that they help us a lot to understand everything. If you have any doubt at any part of the day, we may approach them. And apart from being a student, there are section leaders. So what are section leaders? Section leaders are teachers and people who are into programming, who have volunteered their time to teach students like us from all around the world. So yeah, it's basically an unity throughout the world. No country is barred from participating in it. That's another beautiful thing of Stanford Code in Place. You may think it's a classroom type class. No, but it's not a classroom type class. You get access to the lectures and you get very interactive assignments. And apart from that, there is a weekly meeting of the students of a section. So now what's a section? Basically, a lot of students are in Code in Place, almost like 5,000 to 6,000 students, and 5,000 to 6,000 students can't be like fit in one Zoom meeting or maybe a classroom. It will be entire chaos and everything. So basically, these sections are small divisions of students, and each section consists of 10 to 12 students. So that way the classroom is more easier to read and more interactive without much chaos. And so we had this our section meeting. So we meet once a week. Those are known as section meetings, and that is usually done on the video calling platform OEA. In that we talk about programs and about any problems if you faced or anything. So that's a great opportunity to learn about various cultures, various people, and more. Of course, we are already learning about programming. And the instructors are really helpful. The section leaders are really helpful, who will help you literally anytime. If you post a query in the Ed platform, they will get back to you like very soon. So yeah, so here you can create, you can learn, you can create, you can like post your creations in the group, and really it helps improve your skills a lot. I already had some background in Python programming, but after doing this course, experience has further enriched into a very good thing. Also, the last point which I would like to mention is that Stanford Code in Place is not only for engineers. It is open to people from all walks of life. Even if you are studying arts maybe, or finance or accounting, you can of course go for the Code in Place course. It's open to everyone. So yeah, that being said, this is one of the first achievements in the first year itself, to be a part of this beautiful program called Stanford Code in Place. And I would like to encourage each one of you to go and participate in this and take part and try to get into the Code in Place program, because it's really wonderful to learn with people from all around the world. And also one more thing which I would like to share with you, that Stanford Code in Place will continue. This is the spring session of 2021, which has been going from April 19th to May 28th. And next we will have the fall session, which will be around I think after 2-3 months. You can get all the information from their official page, which is known as the www.codeinplace.stanfordedu.in. The site will be here somewhere. So yeah, that's my first introduction to you people and what the motive of this channel is. I want to have a wonderful journey ahead of this 4 years or maybe after that with you guys, and hope that you guys will support me. Please do considering subscribing my channel if you like my content. Thank you.